ATAS versus sierrachart versus Bookmap. Best order flow platform for pros. I'm going to break down ATAS versus sierrachart versus Bookmap and help you decide which is really the best order flow platform for pros. So all three are built for serious traders who want to read liquidity, order book, footprint charts, and volume flow. But each has its strength and trade-offs. Bookmap shines when it comes to real-time heat map visualization. You can see where orders are stacking, disappearing, or getting absorbed, which gives a super clean view of liquidity zones. Sierra Chart is ultra customizable with nearly every study you can imagine. Strong backtesting and deep data history. Though it takes more setup and tweaking. ATAS sits in between. Very good footprint or clustered tools, workability for both futures and crypto markets, and a nicer out of the box UI than Shara for many. In terms of cost, Bookmap often runs higher for budget friendly for what it delivers. If you're trading super fast, need clean visuals, and want something you can use with minimal tweaking, Bookmap could be your tool. If you want full control, advanced custom setups, or you code your own indicators, Sierra Chart will reward that effort. And if you want a middle ground that gives you powerful order flow analysis without spending hours configuring, ATAS might be the sweet spot. Ultimately, your trading style, what markets you trade, and how much time you want to spend building your setup will decide which one is best for you.